Hey guys, it's Carmelita. Guys, this is Carmelita, 401-pound weight loss journey. Check this out. Oh my goodness. It is so windy out here today. I'm trying to do my walk. Kind of scary. Look at those trees. Now those trees, is big old trees like that, even bigger, around next to my RV. I am so afraid right about now. I don't know how long it's gonna be windy like this, but I don't want no tree falling. Look at that one. And all in the back is a whole lot more trees like this. I was gonna do my walk to the back, but then I got to thinking, I don't want no tree falling on me. I got my hat on, my hoodie on, and everything, doing my little walk. And guys, I tell you, these winds is high and heavy out here. So I'm just trying to get my little walk on, because being in that RV, working all day, it's a small space and I have to get out and stretch these legs, you know? But yeah, it's a lot of trees. I just pray don't none of them fall. See them in the wind, how they just blowing like they're about ready to snap. My hat feel like it's about to blow off my head. I'm trying to hold the camera steady while I do my walk. And now, that big old tree over there, that's right next to my RV. See? That's where I'm at. And that big old tree is right there on the side of it. And then I have another one at the back of it. Let's just pray it don't topple over. Oh, Jesus. Making me think I need to go get me a hotel room tonight. You know? Sometimes you just got to do that. Who knows? I might do that. I might take tomorrow off, put in for tomorrow off when I get off today, and get me a hotel room and just chill in a hotel. You know, that sounds kind of good. I think I done talked myself into that. That's what I'm gonna do. Go get me a hotel room tonight and just chill. Order room service. That's what I'll do. So, anyway, I just wanted you all to see how windy it is out here. It's not really cold, but it's very windy. You know, a little chill. All you need is a little sweater. These are some high winds. So I don't want to just do that little walk. Yesterday I did my walk around the back of the RV park for the first time in months. And I mean months. Because I wanted to change up my little walk. And I noticed a lot of the people that was here when I first moved into this RV park, they're now gone. We got a whole lot of new people that's been coming in now. But it's still nice and quiet. So I guess I'll go for now, you guys. This is Carmelita, 401-pound weight loss journey. And hope you guys like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's gonna get better later. Right now we're working. It's kind of hard for me to really get into my channel like I would really like. But it's coming. Just bear with me, babe. Just bear with me. I'm still on the weight loss journey. And it's gonna be a whole lot new things coming up when I retire. So, look out for that. A lot of things I can't do because of my job. But once I stop working, I'll be able to do a whole lot more and share and show you guys a whole lot of things you may not have known. All right. I'll talk to you later. As always, peace, love, and happiness is the only way to live. And hit that thumbs up button so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Woo, look at those. Oh my God. Look at those trees, how they shaking. Talk y'all later.